This is day 26 of AudioMo. And in June 2023, it is PTSD Awareness Month. And goodness knows the prime poster child of the disorder has got to be a certain wealthy man about town, Bruce Wayne. Bruce Wayne has got issues, problems, and more than one mental health disorder, but we're going to keep it light for the moment. To steal from my own podcast, according to the National Institute of Mental Health, post-traumatic stress disorder, known as PTSD, is a disorder that develops when some people have experienced a shocking, scary, or dangerous event. It can also happen if you were a direct victim or indirect witness to an event. So, in the story of Batman, Bruce experienced trauma when he witnessed the death of his parents in 1939. He probably was untreated for the condition because he was a child, and little was known about mental health conditions by the general public. Now, in the original version of the book, Alfred Pennybaker did not raise Bruce Wayne. Multiple recons later, Alfred became his parent, substitute, and protector. In 1939, Americans might have understood the term shell-shocked in relation to war and soldiers. Well, maybe a few of them did, but after World War II, a lot more of them understood. But the problem was, there was almost a society imperative not to talk about mental health problems and disorders, and still on the verge of being barbaric in terms of treatment options that were available to people who needed mental health services at the time. One of the things that can happen to a person who has PTSD, they might develop coping skills and techniques, some of them good, some of them not so good. One of Bruce's coping skills was definitely physical fitness, learning all kinds of self-defense techniques, detective skills, and a wee bit of criminal training so he would know what a crook would be likely to do. Another coping technique that Bruce had was playing the bachelor and being seen as a rich man's son. In effect, having two separate selves, one for his community and one to fight crime with. Now, I'm making a point to use the name Bruce Wayne, because it is Bruce that is acting out. It is Bruce that has a problem. The Batman is an extreme example of handling the problem, but that's a story for another time, and another person. I've only got 3 more days left of AudioMo.